The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Boniface Hiers Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. Color combinations. The Z06 having 12 available exterior colors, 7 available wheel packages, 7 interior colors, 6 seatbelt choices, 2 interior carbon fiber trim packages, 6 available brake caliper colors. You could have thousands of options to make your Z06 exclusive to you. Wide stance. The performance envelope of the Z06 is built upon the Stingray Corvette's foundation. Now having a 3.6-inch wider stance helps accommodate the massive 345 series tires. It also allows more airflow and handling to be the supercar on the track and the roadway. Wheels. The production Z06 Corvette comes standard with 20-inch front and 21-inch rear forged aluminum wheels. Available options include the more lightweight and rigid carbon fiber wheels that achieves an overall 41-pound reduction in weight and mass. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Boniface Hiers Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.